Ellen, why do you consider participation to be so important in the learning process?
Well, I use a nifty acronym to illustrate why participation is so important, and that acronym is AMP, A-M-P. We need to amp up experience, and the way that we do that is through attention, meaning, and performance. So when we look at attention, we have so much stimuli going through our environment all the time. I mean, millions of things going on constantly. Attention is really limited, so we need to pay attention, and the way that we pay attention is by having an experience that grabs our attention. If we are involved in experience, then our attention goes to that. So participation is one way to really get people to pay attention to something. The second thing is meaning. What we find is that people remember something that has personal meaning for them. What we do in our brains is we actually compare experience with memories of past experience. We compare that and we use that to make sense of it and then to incorporate it into what we already know, what we've already experienced. So the second thing is meaning. We need to ascribe meaning. And one way that we do that is by actually participating in something, working with it, understanding it, and making sense of it. The third thing that we do is performance. The way that we actually keep something in memory and incorporate it and then have the ability to use it and apply it is by being able to play with it and being able to perform it. So we have to do that over and over again until it becomes something we call consolidated. It becomes consolidated in our experience, our understanding, and our behavior. So if you can remember that acronym, attention, meaning, and performance, I think that explains why participation is so important in terms of learning and in terms of behavioral change over time.